Hello, today I'm going to discuss how to change the background image as well as the text that we see on here. And so, first things first, you have to log in to WordPress, and I'm the dashboard homepage of the WordPress right now. First things we have to do is we have to add the picture we want to use into our media. So we click on media, and so this is a list of all of our images in the website. We want to go ahead and add a new picture. You just add the picture that you want to add into this slider here. So let's just select file, pictures, wherever you put your picture. I put it in here, and I put a picture called test. So again, just select the picture you want, open, and if there is no more loading bar or anything, it means it's completed, and it'll say edit. So you click on edit. What we need from here is this link right here. So if you take this entire link and copy it, that should do. Before I go on any further, we have to make sure this image size is around 1400 in length and about 600 in height. So the closer you get to that, the better. So 1000, again, that's 1400 in length and 600 in height. The closer to that, the better. And so once we have copied this link, we click on blocks. So this website is, it's just like Legos. You take a part, you build it in what we call blocks, and you take that blocks and put into whatever part of the home, any of your pages you want to put into. So all you have to do is click on blocks, and our slider, it's called main slider. Click on edit. Okay, so there's a little bit of code in here, but we should be able to work around it. Where it says UX banner, see there's an opening bracket here. That opening bracket, UX banner, all the way down to right here. Another opening bracket, slash UX banner. So this right here is the first slide. Let's go back here. Yep, this one right here. So it has finally started, huge sale, up to 70% off. If you go back to our blog, you will see that it will say here, it has finally started, huge sale, up to 70% off. So this is our first slide, and our slide image is this right here. It's BG, which stands for background, so the slider background. This quote to this quote, what's in between is the image link. And we can erase this, right click in between these two, and paste. Because this is the new image that we copied, that you added into your website and copied. And so this is the first image for the first slide. So like I said, this banner to this banner is the first slide. Second one is this banner to this banner. So if you go to the second one, it says woman tank tops all the way down to where it says now $19. So woman tank tops all the way down to where it says now $19. So there's a little bit of code around, but you can just ignore it. Don't mess with the code. Just change the content that you want to change, and that will this will change your content. You can mess with any one of these contents in here. This is the second slide again. And if you want to change the image, you change it what's in between. You upload your picture and you change what's in between these two quotes right here. And so this should allow you to change your content as well as your image background for your slider. When you're done, all you do is you come here and hit update. I'm not going to hit update because I know you don't want this new image that I just put in. It's already fine right now, so I'm not going to update it. But if I want to change he would sail explanation mark or something. You can just type it in to where you want it to go. You can always compare with what's on here and hit update when you're done. Just as a test, I'm going to let's say okay, so I did undo and I brought our link back. So just as a test, I'm gonna put a huge tail explanation mark explanation mark explanation mark updates. We go to homepage, refresh, huge tail explanation mark explanation mark explanation mark. You go back, you erase it. Let's say we also want, whoops, let's go to the first slide. If you want to change up to 70% off, you can change it here. Up to 70% off, you can change that to any number you like or to any other word you would like. Just hit update. It's loading. If it says it's connecting, it's loading. When it's done, it will say edit, I believe. Yep, edit block. Okay, so home page, refresh, and the explanation marks are gone. So that's it for editing the entire slider.